QualityWorX Vision is a unique and practical data management and manufacturing analytics solution. It makes the images and data from vision inspection systems accessible and useful. No more walking from station to station to see your data. QualityWorX eliminates data silos by combining all of the data into a single database accessible from your PC. This includes not only the images, but all of the scalar data. If your vision system supports digital process signatures or waveforms, those are collected too. This video shows you how easy it is to view and analyze all of this data at your desktop using Sciemetric QualityWorX analytics software. QualityWorX consolidates part information into an organized history. The tree navigation mimics the layout of the production line, making traceability easier. The top of the part data structure is the component name, in this case, engine. The demo database used here shows how other types of data from different plant floor stations can be integrated into the database and the part's history. A variety of search criteria makes it simple to find the part or population of parts that you want to review. Data is accessible in production real-time, within seconds of cycle completion. Just click the nodes to view the information, including low-resolution images and links to raw image files, which are stored off the network to minimize traffic demands. These are available on demand with a simple click. Images can be viewed in groups or in single close-ups by selecting an image from the carousel or the parts list. Drilling down one level, feature nodes contain the different types of data, such as the scalar values derived from the images and the digital process signatures. The signatures are derived from data points along the surface of the part. These data points divide the part into regions. Click on the feature node to review the data. Sciemetric Studio quickly creates two graphs based on this feature data. The first is the histogram of the machine vision-generated measurements for each part. The second is a time-based trend of when these measurements occurred. Also shown are the upper and lower specification limits in red, and the upper and lower control limits based on the data set being viewed. You can choose which of these to show in the context-sensitive ribbon menu. For example, deselect spec limits and the graph changes accordingly. Zoom into data to examine trends. You can group models to view the statistics on groups of parts. The statistics pane provides a meaningful overview of this particular feature, such as the number of samples, the number of passes and fails, control limits, PP and PPK. QualityWorX Vision is about more than providing traceability. The Sciemetric Studio software lets you analyze scalar and signature data to set objective limits for the inspection application, run off stations more quickly, and optimize the application over time. Contact us for a more detailed demonstration on how QualityWorX Vision can improve how you use and manage images and data.